Hello, little friends. Today, we have a very special puzzle to play with. A jigsaw puzzle with a beautiful mermaid picture. Look at the puzzle pieces. Some show a shiny tail, some show colorful fish, and some show sparkling seashells. As we put the pieces together, the picture starts to come alive. And when the last piece clicks into place, something magical happens. Are you ready? Let's dive into the puzzle and discover the wonderful world of mermaids. Deep, deep under the blue ocean, far away from noisy cities, there is a peaceful and colorful world. This is the home of mermaids. The water sparkles like diamonds, coral reefs glow with bright colors, and fish swim happily in every direction. Mermaids have beautiful tails that shine in the sunlight. They can swim very fast and very gracefully, moving through the water like a gentle wave. Now let's meet the star of our story, a very special little mermaid. Her name is Luna. Luna is not an ordinary mermaid. She has beautiful pink hair that flows softly in the water, moving like ribbons when she swims. Her body and tail are also pink, shining gently like a pearl under the sunlight. When Luna swims, her pink tail sparkles and glows, making the ocean around her look magical. Luna loves to explore the sea. She swims around coral reefs, greets colorful fish, and waves happily to friendly sea turtles. Everyone in the ocean knows Luna because her bright pink colors are easy to spot. She is kind, brave, and very curious. Luna always asks questions like, "What is beyond that coral?" or "Who lives near the deep blue sea?" Luna also loves collecting shiny seashells and smooth pink pearls. She keeps them safe in a small shell pouch that she carries with her everywhere she goes. Most of all, Luna loves her ocean home. She believes the sea should always be clean, safe, and full of happiness for every creature. With her pink hair flowing and her sparkling pink tail, Luna is ready for an adventure that will change the ocean forever. Luna is never alone in the ocean. She has many wonderful friends who live all around her. The sea is like one big family, and everyone knows each other. First, let's meet Finn the dolphin. Finn is fast, playful, and always smiling. He loves to jump out of the water and splash back in. Splash! Finn often races Luna through the waves, and even when he loses, he laughs and tries again. Next comes Tilly the sea turtle. Tilly moves slowly, but she is very wise. She has lived in the ocean for a long, long time and knows many secrets of the sea. When Luna feels confused, she swims to Tilly for advice. Tilly always listens carefully and speaks kindly. Swimming around them are many colorful fish. Some are tiny and shiny, others are big and bright like rainbows. They love to follow Luna's pink tail because it sparkles beautifully in the water. Near the coral reefs, small seahorses hide and hold on to the coral with their tiny tails. They are shy but very friendly, and they wave hello when Luna swims by. High above, gentle jellyfish float like glowing balloons. Their soft light helps brighten the dark parts of the sea, making the ocean look magical at night. All of Luna's friends help one another. Dolphins warn others of danger, turtles guide the way home, and fish help clean the coral reefs. Together, they laugh, play, and explore. They show that even though they are different, they are stronger when they stay together. Luna smiles as she looks around at her friends. With her pink hair floating gently and her pink tail shining brightly, she knows she is lucky to live in such a loving ocean family. In the center of the ocean stands the Coral Kingdom. The castle is made of coral and pearls, and it shines beautifully under the sea. This is where the mermaid families live, and where they gather to sing and celebrate. Mermaids love music. Their songs are soft and magical, and they help keep the ocean calm and peaceful. One morning, something feels very different in the ocean. The water is not as clear as before. The bright blue sea slowly turns gray and cloudy. Luna swims out of her coral home and looks around. Her pink hair floats gently, but her smile slowly fades. The coral reefs look tired and sad. Some of their colors are fading away. The fish swim more slowly than usual. Some hide behind rocks, and others look confused. Even the ocean feels quiet, too quiet. Luna and her friends swim closer to see what is wrong. Suddenly, Luna sees something floating near the surface. It is not a seashell. It is not seaweed. It is trash. Plastic bags drift like ghostly jellyfish. Empty bottles bump into the coral. Broken nets tangle around rocks. Finn the dolphin swims in circles, worried. "Tilly," Luna calls softly, "have you ever seen this before?" Tilly the sea turtle sighs sadly. "This does not belong in our ocean," she says. "It can hurt coral, fish, and even us." A small fish gets stuck near a plastic ring. Luna quickly swims over and gently helps it swim free. The little fish trembles, then swims away safely. The jellyfish stop glowing brightly. The seahorses hide deeper in the coral. The ocean, once full of laughter and color, now feels heavy and tired. Luna's heart beats fast. She looks at her pink tail, still shining, but she knows something must be done. "This is our home," Luna whispers. "We cannot let it be hurt." Her friends gather around her. They feel scared, but they also feel hope, because they are together. The ocean is in trouble, but this is not the end of the story. Luna floats quietly in the water. Her pink hair moves gently around her face, and her sparkling pink tail glows brighter than before. She looks at the sad ocean, the tired coral, and her worried friends. Then Luna closes her eyes and takes a deep breath. In her heart, a brave idea begins to grow. "What if," Luna says softly, "we work together?" Her friends look at her with wide eyes. Finn the dolphin swims closer. "What do you mean, Luna?" Luna smiles, a brave, gentle smile. "We may be small," she says, "but when we help each other, we can do something very big." Luna explains her plan. She will lead the way. The dolphins will push floating trash away from the coral. The turtles will carry light pieces to safer places. The fish will guide others and warn them of danger. Everyone listens carefully. At first, some feel nervous, but then they feel strong. Finn lifts his fin high. He clicks happily. Tilly the turtle nods slowly. "For our ocean," she says proudly. Soon more sea animals gather around. Crabs click their claws. Seahorses swim closer. Even the shy jellyfish begin to glow again. Luna raises her pink tail, shining like a star. "This ocean is our home," she says, "and home is worth protecting." The music grows brighter. The water seems to sparkle once more. With courage in their hearts and hope in their eyes, Luna and her friends are ready. This is the moment everything begins to change. The water is blue once more. The coral shines brightly, and the fish swim happily again. The Coral Kingdom celebrates with music and laughter. Luna smiles proudly at her friends. Together, they saved their ocean home. Luna wants to share a message with us. The ocean is our friend too. If we keep the sea clean, use less plastic, and care for nature, we help protect the ocean and its magical creatures. Even small actions can make a big difference. Now look at the jigsaw puzzle again. The mermaid smiles back at us, as if saying, "Thank you for caring." Remember, every puzzle piece matters, just like every kind action we do. Keep dreaming, keep exploring, and always protect our beautiful ocean. Thank you for joining this mermaid adventure. See you next time, and keep the magic alive.